29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, said Almighty. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. My name is Amara and I am from Davao City, Philippines. Who would have thought that amidst this pandemic, I would finish my flight training? Truly, Almighty's grace is amazing. To the administration, staff, flight instructors, our beloved mechanics, my fellow students, thank you so much for everything. You made my wings stronger, better, and ready to face any turbulence in my life, may it be downdrafts or updrafts. Thank you so much for everything. To my family, to mommy and daddy, I love you. We made it. Thank you so much for all your prayers, the encouragement, and the love. Thank you so much to my Abrina family, Madalingkog family, to my Bagam family, my DCDC family. Thank you so much for everything. Words cannot describe how thankful I am. And of course, to our beloved Almighty, for His Son Yeshua, everything is for Him. Despite His grace, I am here standing today. Again, I give all the glory and praises to Him. To all aspiring pilots out there, #FlyWrong.